Hi, so we finished chapter 3 on global warming and climate change, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that helped you better understand that issue. In my opinion, that is the most important issue facing us as a species, not only in this country, but in this planet. So please try and stay informed and stay involved. This issue is only going to become more and more important over the years. Now we move into chapter 4, where we're going to talk about why we're getting all that carbon dioxide in the air, mainly because we're burning compounds which contain carbon and produce carbon dioxide. So we're going to talk about burning fossil fuels. In particular, we're going to talk about coal, we're going to talk about petroleum products, including gasoline, and we're going to talk about natural gas a little bit and compare those. And then we're going to talk about energy and in general and how we get energy from chemicals and how that all works. And then finally, we're going to wrap up talking about alternative fuels, alternative combustible fuels such as biodiesel and ethanol. Ethanol turns out is a pretty controversial fuel. There are some people who say it takes more energy to make the ethanol than you get out of burning it. And that could be true. It's a very political issue with, farm subsidies and people who grow corn, things like that. So that's an interesting issue to pay attention to. And then finally, we're going to wrap up talking about energy needs in the world and particularly how energy ties so closely with standard of living and how important it is for the people in the world to have a source of reliable energy. So I hope you enjoy this chapter. Remember, we're only a week on this chapter, and remember that on Friday, your original post is due on clean coal.